Hello, guys. Hope you are cool and dandy. I'm also doing great. Today, I'll say something about this book, English for Teachers. Actually, this book is amazing for Bangladeshi learners, teachers, of course, the students. Okay, what you will get from this book: vocabulary, pronunciation, spoken English, creative writing, basic listening and presentation. All these subjects in one book. Okay? And written by our respected teacher, Mahmoud Yassin. What you will get from this book? First one, you have to know MI, RP, and MO. What is the meaning of it? MI, massive input. When you read this book, in that time you will get so many things. Okay, if you use it in a proper way. So, if you read it, if you learn it, in that time you will input so many things. After that, related practice. You have to do practice, of course. Practice makes someone perfect. If you do not use it in your everyday life, in that time you will not be benefited by this book. After that, massive output. What is the meaning of it? Actually, when you listen, after that, you will speak. Okay, listen, speak. That means input and output, and overall progress will come after that. And there is a QR code. This is not for the reading book. Okay, you will get the listening also. Okay, when we read something, when we learn something, after that we forget. Okay, but when you scan this QR code, in that time you will get the listening type, the speaking type also. All the all the things, that means you will get so many things. There is a chapter spoken, speaking, reading, story. You will get this. After that, you will get the so many things when you learn something in your classroom. In that time, a teacher has to say so many things. Okay, you will get this. How to speak with your students, how to speak with the teachers, learners. You will get everything from this book. And there are 1,000 dialogues for teachers. After that, you will get so many things, word meaning. You will get, of course, listening skills for teachers. When in my teaching life, when I was in a school, in that time we have to write result cards. In that time we have to say good result, good work, good job in the students result card. But if you read this book, you will get so many things to write on that result card, and it would be better for the teacher and for the students also. And there are so many things you can ask your how to ask questions in English. It is also important chapter, I think, because it's so tough to ask a question. Writing answer, speaking answer is easy, but first you have to know how to ask the question. After that, you will make your answer. Then you will get presentation. Actually, this book is for the teachers. Okay, and I think not for the teachers, students also. Presentations for teachers. A presentation on the importance of attending classes regularly. A presentation on the importance of learning AI and robotics in the education sector. In our school, we have to write the essay. Okay, if you read this, it would be better for you. You will be able to write so many things, because so many things input, you will learn so many things. After that, you will apply it in your copy. A speech on the importance of learning phonics for children in Bangladesh and how TESOL Bangladesh can contribute to teachers development. The teachers go to school, they teach the students, but they didn't think about phonics. It's true. It's really true. So, if any teacher use this book, write this book with the help of their copy, okay? Not only read, you have to write also. Then you will get so many things about phonics, pronunciation, vocabulary, what we are short of in our everyday life. When you speak in that time, we are short of words. We didn't find the right word in a right sentence. I think this book will help you to speak in a correct way, and if you use it in your everyday life, you will get fluency. That's it for today. Bye bye.